Hi guys, today I'm going to pick this beautiful Assa flexcore. It's only a 5-pin. This is the key for it. Not really challenging bidding. Works how you expect it to. I've had this lock about 2-3 years maybe. I have picked it, but back then I didn't really gut locks. So I'd like to actually see what's in this if I get it picked. Always check, see if it moves. Don't want to pinch the cam. Going for top of the keyway. If it fits, it does. I'll go for clockwise tension, medium hook. Then you find in a binder, pin 5 straight away. Click out of 5, bit loose. 4 soft, 3's binding. Click out of 3. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. 3's binding again. 4 soft, 5 soft. 2's binding. Nice, click out 2. Still nothing on 1. 2's binding still. Nice, click out 2. 3's binding. Ease up on the tension slightly. Nice, click out 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. 1 still soft. Tiny click out 2. And 3. And 4. Now 1's binding. Nice click. Oh, click out of 1. 5's fine. 4's fine. Tiny click out of 3. Tiny click out of 4. And still soft. 2's fine. 3's springy. 4's hard. Click out of 5, but ooh, don't know what's in here. But that didn't sound great. It sounded like it's threaded. Click out of 2. Quite interested to see what's in here now. 3, 4, tiny movement on the core. Click out 2. 1's dropped. Oh, that's lucky enough. Oh, I was very lucky. Zoom out. So. I've got a key for it. Just lock it up. As everybody knows, should be by now, I'm never ready. Right. Could do the cross head, but I've got a flat head. I'll do. It'll take me a bit more long time. I've got some closer to hand, but for some reason I've started it, so I'll finish it. Coming off yet? No. It's still no. Right, let's find out what's in this. Followers. Let me just, sorry about this, I'll just move the camera down a bit. Zoom in. Right, get the key in. I say it did feel like threaded. I thought I do remember putting some threaded pins in something. Didn't think it was this. Oh, dropped 2 pins in. Don't know where they're from. Where's my tweezers? Okay. Review. The other pin. Right. Reviews up first. Pin 1. Standard. Pin 2. Standard. Pin 3. Standard. 4. Standard. And 5 is standard. Nothing special on the core. I can see all there is countermilling on focus. There's countermilling underneath on all 5 chambers. Let me just get a pic. It does look like it. Sorry, I keep knocking the camera. There's something. It don't feel like proper countermilling. There is something. Anyway, let's get on with this, find out which pins I dropped. Doesn't sound great. Pin 1's that's a barrel. 2, same again. 3, another one. So it must have been 4, 5 and 6. I mean 4 and 5 that I dropped. Yeah, and bent the spring. Oh well, we've all done it. But bugger. I always try and shim. That's why I like to try and shim. Bloody thing. Oh, I'm going to leave it in there before I try and bend it back out. I'll show you these pins. I thought they were a threaded bar, but they're not. These are nice Assa barrels. Or 5 standard key pins. Nothing special. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button. Stay safe. Bye.